How to use freeze frame effect on CapCut. Just take a look at this video. Boom, it freezes here, and this is a very good effect that you can use when you use CapCut. So in this video, I'll guide you on how to use this effect on your device. Either you use an iPhone or an Android. So the first, you have to open the CapCut on your device. Now tap on new video. Upload the video you have here. Tap on add. So let's play this video. You will see that there's no freeze frame here. There's no freeze frame. I'm going to play just 8 seconds video. Now you see that there's no fixed frame at all here. Now to add this freeze frame, I would like to locate the specific place you want to freeze frame on this video. For example, I want to freeze frame this part of this video. You can see. Now make sure that you tap on the video on the timeline and show this white border. Then once you tap on it, it shows the white border. Then come to the base and keep swiping until you get to the freeze option or the freeze frame button. Here, tap on it. This is going to last it for 3 seconds. Now you can come back to this place and adjust it to a few seconds that suits you. Now that I've done that, let's play it again. Now you see that when you get to that place, the freeze frame effect will come up and it's going to freeze for that particular seconds you select on that video. You can see, just wait a few seconds and boom, it continue from where it stopped. Now that's all, guys. From here you can now export your video and upload to the appropriate platform. If you like this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.